Hey guys, Denis Kozhar here. I am architect and CG artist. I have passion for teaching, so for the last few years I have been creating video tutorials about architectural visualization on my YouTube channel. 3ds Max, Corona Render, Unreal Engine and Substance products are the short list of software I am using. For those who doesn't know about Patreon, it is a way to support content you love on a monthly basis. How does it work? When you sign up as my Patreon, you will select how much you would like to pledge per month. This money goes directly, minus Patreon's and PayPal's share, into funding my YouTube channel, equipment and hardware upgrade, and many other kind of resources that enables me to create even more educational and entertaining content for you. What's in for you? For becoming Patreon, I'm gonna share content exclusively available here with you. Depending on the amount you pledged, you will get immediate access to all Patreon exclusive content, regardless of when it was posted. It can be early access to all video episodes from YouTube, access to all project files like 3D scenes, textures, all in one huge folder, useful links with high quality resources, and Patreon's name in the description. And many other options are coming in future. So hit the button Become Patreon and join my exclusive community. Oh, if you watch it on YouTube, go through the link in the description. Bye.